Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to enable and use the sudo command in Windows 11. So sudo is taken from Linux, so it's a way to run a specific command elevated as an administrator without having to use an elevated command prompt. So this came out in Windows 11 24H2, I believe, and it's disabled by default. All right, so let's say we open a command prompt here. This regular one, not as administrator. All right, so let's say we were going to do a SFC scan now. You can see you must be an administrator to run this command. All right, so if you wanted to actually run the command, you would have to close this one and open another command window, or you can leave this open and open another command window as administrator and then run it over there. And let's say you had a bunch of commands you were already working on in this window, you would lose all that when you open a new window, because you could go up arrow to go through your previous commands. All right, so to get around this, we're going to enable the sudo command. So to do so, we're going to go to the Windows settings. And then System, and find Advanced. And then you go down here to the Terminal section and enable it. Then you have to be an administrator to enable it. All right, then you'll have these options here once you enable it. So you could run into the new window with input disabled or inline. So I'm going to pick inline. So I have a document open here with some definitions of each one. So inline mode. So this allows you to run the command in the same terminal window without elevating it behind the scenes. So that way you don't need to open a new window and the command runs inside of your existing prompt window. So this could be used for scripts, pipelines, and so on. Then we have the new window mode. So this will run it in a separate window. So it opens a new elevated terminal window and the command runs separately from your current shell that you have open. And the output will also appear in the new window, not the original one. So this is good for GUI-based commands and tools that might require full admin rights and troubleshooting scenarios. All right, then we have disconnected mode. So this will launch an elevated process completely detached from the terminal session. So no new terminal window opens, no output returns to your shell, so it runs in the background. So if you don't need to see anything on the screen and you're not looking for any specific output, you could use this mode. So this is best for background services and maintenance tasks and so on. All right, so now that we have it enabled here, we're going to type in sudo and then the same command. And then you can see it gives us a UAC prompt just for this command. We say yes, and now it's going to start running the command. And then the next command you run will be back in regular mode, and if you need to run it as administrator, you could do a sudo with the command once again. All right, so once again, let's just close this and start over here. Settings, System, Advanced, and look for Terminal, enable sudo, click the down arrow, pick your mode here, and that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.